well-respected brand. But now these multiple statements about just write your own story, release it. I can do a documentary about Dr. Thomas Chauke's life. No one will come sue me. You don't have to release statements and say, we dismiss that. No, man. You must understand what a documentary is. Or bio. My baba jaro flying bacha danuna city. Oh, even I'm gonna that channel that matters.
Ni live ka interview ya mai baba se unlock ta improvela ku ayitsikananga inkomo ndabuyela hansi
imai baba
vavhakachesu vatsaka vakoye kuti matosi kirikirikini
jaro kula imbacha danun a xi yi tivi
mina tala hi mina like that favor
walava a wu lava
it doesn't
Yo. We're live.
Hey, amukela ka episode 67. Xin'wana lexi fanelaka mi xi tiva i ku whether makwata kumbe mikwata mi hlamuseriwini kumbe za mi ku boha. So loko mi vona mikandziyiso leyi yin'wana pa yi juma mi vulavula hi yona, ku navela ka hina a ku ri sweswo ntsena. So mi nga vi na ku mi titwisa swin'wanyani muka lweyi tawa. The mo vulavula hi mina the mo ni kula and leswi swi lava ngopfu sweswo. So mi nga chaviseki. My baba jaro kula hi bacha danuna city. Oh, yimani mi amukela ka the channel that matters. The channel that matters the most. Hambo kwata. Walava, I will love it. It doesn't go. When you the only channel that matters to watch. She's my manager at Monyoz. Monyoz okanga sisunga single thing ni kat Monyoz. So the one got no manager, send manager, she's marane manager one manager to Monyoz are one. So mga tsege me mi floka amigo milago manager. Shambir be rest assured all promotions are being paid for, so don't try to blackmail me or something or try to be benzo ni balete ta ka pick and pay utama ya kombela discount. I'm kidding with that, but you can ask favors from anyone you want to. Mara singabili swaku is like na kolota or I owe you a favor. My man, I've worked very hard to get where I am, and I want some ups and downs, especially with this channel. Hey man, yeah. No one Khataphila I posting one yan ka Facebook ako. Beni mayengani na di chumita yena avarambiwanga ka event ya ANC. Masters tichomita ye vulava mani ku nga va mani loko nga ri dokodela Joshiri mani na Prince Rangani because i vanhu lava tirhaka swin'we. Mara I'm yet to see a single event la ni nga ta vona Dr. Joshiri mani ya ANC a performa kumbe ya EFF. So Prince Rangani a performa ka ti-event to fana teto. Lani wa n'wi vona nyani Mr. Post he performed na khalanga President Benny Mayengani he performile ka ti-event to tani. So for Khataphila to say that ku na tichomi ta yena ti rambiwanga, it was a stupid move because un'wana ku expecta Benny a performa ka EFF wa penga na like swi ta hi kwini sweswo. So mara ku a ku tichomi ta yena i ku delela vanhu vakulu va dokodela. Xin'wana xa ku wa byela van'wana ku va delela ke no wa delela wa lava wu lavi.
keep going.
She this step. So for him to do that, to go asukela ba Dr. Joe was, but why did he delete the post? Balongifonela, kumbe balongigwajisa, kumbe ilo decide otherwise. For me lani nga ko swi nge endleki ku na a threat lava a nga yi kuma somewhere. Kumbe balongibyela va ku i ta fana na damba vakhegula li thava va amukela munhu un'wana na un'wana. Ni sure ku ilo gwajisiwa because I deleted, because when I want to check the post 2 hours later, wanted to screenshot so that I can talk about it, I found it gone. So all of us were monitored. So one mistake, you'll get a call, and from unknown person, not the people that you are attacking. Xikongomelo nkulu xa video leyi ukuze ni tshame hansi ni kota ku endla video leyi i mhaka a ni lava ku vulavula hi dokodela Thomas Chauke. Dr. Thomas Chauke va phefemile ka event ya EFF leya 10 years anniversary. Va tlhela va koka ka event ya ANC again where they were doing 2019 manifesto review. So that shows the level of political maturity la South Africa go. We don't have, and kambe loko ya ku performing ya ku performing. Simple as that. But also respect the intelligence of Dr. Thomas Chauke. These people, they just meet where they reach out to them, or is the management that they reach out to these people. Let's go. Kuna miza n'wana ka Maluleke I release buku yin'wanyana va ku everything Shimatshatsha. The book was released last year. Ni ve na nkateko wo yi hlaya from Aisha ve yin'wana wa ti-fan ta dokodela Thomas Chauke ku nga Tiko Khoza ku nga munghana wa mina lowo dyondza vets ka university leyikulu misava hinkwayo jikelele. So loko hi hleye buku liya I did a review where ni nga vula ku buku liya I think it's 17 errors. So kuna more than 17 errors leti nga tikuma na ti-spelling errors swin'wana swo phundanyana tlhandla kambirhi. Ku boha buku liya yi humini mizaliwa ka Maluleke u lo tirhisa matimba ya yena na ku tirhisa vanhu nawu, because a va n'wi tekini va n'wi yisa court ku va fanele va va na ti-shares ku va fanele va teka buku liya ku ve yi tsariwe hi yena. Ni sure ku leswi a ku ri management ya dokodela. So court yi fike swi fike swi va hlula ku va wona buku liya because i biography. So loko swi ta va swi vitani buku liya ya dokodela Thomas Chauke ya everything Shimatshatsha, it details each and everything leswi nga humelela ka vutomi bya Thomas Chauke. So loko ku humelele hinkwaswo swi nga humelela, that guy interview mana ku katsa na va Mani Flow, the late Thomas Matonsi, mani loyi a nga yimbelela ka Nyoresh, and a nga ri kona ka cover, and he was so excited to be there. Na van'wana vanhu na boye u interviewing about dokodela Thomas Chauke, that guy. Ivi loko swi ve tani swi ve kahle, swilo swi fambe kahle, but problem yi ve lahaya ka ku Dr. Thomas Chauke va nga vuyeriwi hi nchumu ku va va teke nkarhi wa vona va va available for multiple interviews leti a nga ti endla na I think na mutswari wa xisati wa dokodela Thomas Chauke va interviewini ka buku liya. However, because Dr. Thomas Chauke va nga ri na ti-shares laha, ku na buku yin'wanyana yi nga launchiwa sweswi va ngo i everything Shimatshatsha, Xitsonga heartbeat, swin'wana swa ku tani. Ivi ku releasiwa switatimende swo tala ngopfu, yi launchiwe hi 31 ta August liya and yi launchiwe I think i Department of Arts and Culture Dr. Thomas Chauke liya ya everything Shimatshatsha ya Xitsonga heartbeat. You see even this one everything Shimatshatsha, why you talk ina vudokodela Xitsonga heartbeat doesn't have vudokodela, like it doesn't have Thomas Chauke's identity, but Shimatshatsha. Loko ku Shimatshatsha ka munhu un'wana na un'wana, the first thing lexi ta ku miehleketweni ya wena i dokodela Thomas Chauke. So these people what said a lot of statements, oh bukule ba kulonchiweni aitivi, and we dismiss it with the what like what is the statement so tala ngoku kukoma ku va dismissa buku liyani, my twisties. So what is the fight for? It's about the interest, the financial interest in the book. I think Dr. Thomas Chauke is one of the legal-minded kid or some sort. So that's why they are able to fight the battle legally. So, but also this guy Maluleke, he can sue them. But also, I don't think he will win, because if you are to sue them, he is to sue them. But also, we have a right to write about our story, man. It's our life. So it doesn't mean that if we give you a permission to write about our story, we can't write about it ourselves. So I may not be a lawyer or never did law. Hey, I did some law, by the way. Le vets, le university le yikulu, ku tlela swi university and leswi hinkwaswo ma swi twisisa nyana, le vets hi na yi humaka kona, ma yi twisisa mhaka ya kona. So for me, I find it very childish, and swi hi ndlela yin'wanyana. All of these people, they should leave this man like a guy with this book, because in that book he even says, this is my book dedicated to Thomas Chauke's fans, but he says that this is my book. I swi vurini sweswo, and a ngo sungula ku tsala buku ya muxaka lowuya hi Dr. Thomas Chauke. Lava performa van'wana va ka ku ri va mani flow kwale, and I nandzu, and na vanhu lava tirhaka na Dr. Thomas Chauke, they must never find those people somehow ku why vanhu lava va ri performa leke hi buku le ahiti. No, tinqambi ti endla ntirho wa tolo, va ni invite va ku ni ta performa, you go and perform and be paid. Ku fana na vona va performa ka EFF, va performa ka ANC, va hakeriwa, va le ntirhweni wa vona. Wa lava wu laveta byi ku boha. You often go look boy, go mention every other god that Thomas Chauke. If video I mean I talk there. They must find a better solution. Discuss like thoroughly, like akuna shit na xin'we lexi nga wrong wa mi engage each other robustly, so like even if it was fit the banana once. But at the end of the day, find a solution that is going to protect this man's brand. So Dr. Thomas Chauke's brand is a big brand, a well-respected brand. But now these multiple statements about just write your own story, release it. I can do a documentary about Dr. Thomas Chauke's life. No one will come sue me. You don't have to release statements and say, we dismiss that. No, man. You must understand what a documentary is or biography is. Because I can do it myself. Upload it on YouTube. You won't do anything. Nothing at all. So to go after someone, the person you gave the permission to, while there was no contract in place, I find it very, very wrong for me. And it's also like, why do you want to play with this big name on Facebook? Like, if they were used, it was a totally different story. And these people, labatala with these statements, I know they are well educated, they understand this better. But why u vulavula hi xilungu ka ku u vulavula hi swilo swa Xitsonga i video ya mina? Loko u lava ku vulavula hi Xitsonga na we endla ya wena. In conclusion, no need for statements, man. We are just embarrassing the old man. I'm glad Tiko went to the book launch and he enjoyed. I know you may not like this video because I mentioned his name, but it is what it is, Nanza. Nanza horse. Find a practical solution, protect the old man's brand, respect him. Like now, people must be putting useless opinions there and there. Just write your own story. We will always believe you because you are the person, but also because that one is more believable because there are different people who are going to interview you and they give their perspective. So whether you always want to put your brand intact and protected, understand that it's not a problem. Man, measure me to Kaya ile Mozambique. Danko.
It doesn't